What's up guys, back again with me. I'm Ricky from LaSalle Airsoft Community Manado, Indonesia, and I brought you a new video with new style of gun this time. uh, if you are Gel Blaster fans, you already know and have an idea what is this rifle. This is the Jiang M24 Spring Gel Blaster toy gun, and as usual I already convert to be able to shoot 6mm airsoft BB. And I would like to say thank you again for Andrew, because he gave me uh, insight for the first time of this project, so I can complete this project with a success. uh, this blaster can shoot very hard and very straight over 60 meters range in my shooting test, but because we don't have that range right now, so as usual we will do the shooting test by the cans and battle. Alright guys, so with this target in this close, I think we don't need the scope. Anyway, this is the stock scope, dummy, not really functional. Does have the zoom, but it's so hard for you if you want to use this in the skirmish. So this is the original magazine with modification, of course, and airsoft BBs inside. Let's try to load this. Alright, and let's go for the shooting test. My camera seems to be a little bit problem. Okay, zoom a little bit. So there are two cans on the right, and there is inside the box over there is a glass bottle, but because it's transparent you cannot see it quite better. So we'll see what happened with the bottle next after we do the shooting test. Okay, we load the magazine, and usually the first shot will not fire the BB. Alright, now let's go for the shooting test. I'll try to hit the bottom. No. Alright, so the bottle. First shoot. Second shoot, and it's destroyed, cut in half. All right. Oh, let's see what happened with the target. So this is the first target. Both shoot make it through the first layer, but because there is water inside, so it cannot penetrate the other side of the can. And now the battle, it cut in half. Okay, last section as usual. We're trying to have an idea about the FPS of this gun. We are doing a man chrono on this unit using can. Okay, this is soft drink cans. We usually use this. To give an idea how much FPS we can get with close distance shoot. If the BB can penetrate both sides of the cans, means that your your airsoft have the FPS about 330. So let's see. Right? No. Another mess, guys. Okay, so this is the entrance, and the BB come out from this hole. Now we're trying to shoot the bottom. According to Red Wolf Airsoft, if you can penetrate the bottom, meaning that your airsoft got a very close amount of FPS of 400. Could this GJ M24 penetrate the bottom of the can? Let us see. Okay, you can hear the BB inside, and it does penetrate the bottom of the can. So the FPS of this gun approximately very close to 400 FPS. Very nice gun, good build quality, and with some modification, it can shoot very hard, straight and far, and very accurate also. Very happy with this project, and I hope you also enjoy this video. I'm sorry for the mess I made, and we will see again in my next video. Thank you, guys.